Here's the question. In the bracket, 10 plus 2 times 6, bracket close, divided by, in the bracket, 9 minus 5, bracket close, times 4. So first, we'll solve the brackets. Inside the brackets, here we have a plus, and here we have multiplication. So the first priority is multiplication, second priority is addition. So now, let's look at the solution.
Ten plus
2 times 6. 2 times 6 is 12, bracket close, divided by 9 minus 5, bracket close, times 4. Now let's solve further, so 10 plus 12 becomes 22. If we solve the bracket and divide b, 9 minus 5 becomes 4. Times 4, then let's proceed further. 22 divided by 4. Multiply by 4. Now, after that, let's check addition. According to priority, division comes before multiplication. 22 divided by 4 times 4. 4 cancels out with 4, so 22 times 1 equals 22. That's the correct answer.